Okay, so welcome back on this video on computational thinking course, and now I will continue our discussion on rubric 4. Yeah. Okay, so we will discuss this, the rubric 4. So in this rubric, same with the previous one, I hope you already tried the rubric by yourself, at home. And now we will only discuss several important things, on rubric 4. Okay, so this is the first question. The first question is, you have 6 projects, you have 6 projects to work on, which is A, B, C, D, and F. And this project must be carried out by the following rules. Okay, now we will write the rules, applied here. You see that the rules are like this. So F should be before A, B should be before D, E can only be done if project B has already been done. And then before working on project B, project C must have been done. And project A must be done before project B. So the main important things, the important things in solving this problem is to understand the meaning of all of this, So after understanding that and you know the rules, then you will know that the sequences of the project work that can be done is this one. Why? Because this is the only option that follows this rule over here. Okay, this is the only option that will follow these rules. So I think it's quite clear, for this one. It's quite easy, actually. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so the next question is about COVID, yes. Okay, so please read. You can pause the video if you like, you can pause the video because this is quite long, the passage. So I will not read it for you. Please pause this video, okay? Okay, I hope you already read all the sentences here and you understand the question, Please understand what is the goal, So first you have to know the goal, right? What is the goal? The goal is to know the level of malignancy of a certain variant, which is variant B, And then you know that to calculate the level of malignancy, then you need to calculate the maximum score for transmission. So for example, if you have a virus here, you have the score here is 10, and you have this score here 11, meaning that the score of malignancy is 11. You take the maximum score, out of 10 and 11. Okay. And I will zoom in, the transmission data for variant B. It's actually like this. And the question is, what is the score of malignancy for this virus? Okay. So there are 2 options to do here. The first one is using the greedy algorithm. Using the greedy algorithm, you took the best option per step. So for example, you want to know the maximum value of the malignancy of a virus. Then if you use the greedy algorithm, for the first step, you will choose between 2 and 6. Of course, you choose 6, right? Then after that, on the second step, you choose between 3 and 4. So you choose the 4, right? And then after that, you choose between 6 and 3. Of course, you choose 6. So you get this level of malignancy, 16, right? Using the greedy algorithm. But then again, as I mentioned in the lecture, you cannot guarantee that greedy algorithm will give you the optimum or the maximum, that you want, maximum profit. So sometimes you have to do another approach, the other approach that I suggest you to do is to calculate the maximum from the bottom, So you start from the bottom, you calculate the first maximum one, After that, you go to the top. For example, for this one, between 1 or 2, you select the maximum one, which is 2. Between 4 and 3, you choose the 4, right? And this one, 4, and this one, 5. After that, you add with the parent, yeah. Okay, 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So this score, the score here is 5. Okay, 6 is 6 as it is because it has no children. And then 4 plus 2 is 6, right? And then 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 is 8 because no children there. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. Oops, sorry. It's 8. Yeah, sometimes my pen makes trouble. Yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next level. So between 5 and 6, you choose the 6, of course, right? Choose 6 here. And then you know that the score of this is 6 already. And then 7, 8, and 8. Yeah, no competition there. Yeah, you only have the competition between this 5 and 6 over here. The others have no competition because it's only one branch. Yeah. Okay, so now 6 plus 4 becomes 10. Yeah, 6 plus 3 becomes 9. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Okay. So now, then you have again competition here. 10 and 9, you choose the 10, yeah. 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, and then 11, 11, no competition there. So it must be 11, 11 plus 2, 13. Yeah. So the score of malignancy is still, yeah, 16. So in this example, you can see that the greedy algorithm gives you the same answer, yeah, with the bottom-up approach, yeah. So in this case, greedy algorithm works very well. However, in other cases, yes, sometimes greedy algorithm cannot give you the best maximum, yeah. Cannot give you the maximum value here. Sometimes you need to calculate from the bottom, yeah. Okay. So I think it's quite clear for this problem. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this one is about selling gado-gado. Again, you can pause your video here and read the problem, yeah, by yourself, yeah, and then try to solve the problem first. And then after that, you can play again my video and then see the explanation. Okay, so I hope you already read the passage, yeah, you already read the problem. And basically, the goal here is the biggest total profit. And the rules or the constraint is you need to calculate the profit from several consecutive days. So for this one, the profit record was this, yeah, and you need to find the largest total profit in consecutive days. Yeah, so you can check, yeah, the numbers here. You can try adding up 1 and 5, and you will get 6, yeah. But then again, you see that there's a 4 here, yeah, which is positive. And then you try to add up the 4 with the -1 and -2, you still get a positive 1 over there, yeah. So you can start with the 4, yeah, instead, yeah. 4 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 5. So you get 7, yeah. Okay, I think it's quite clear, yeah. This is not that difficult. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So now this one, yeah. Okay, so please read this one first, yeah. Pause the video again. Okay, so I hope you already understand, yeah, the problem, yeah, the goal and the constraints. What are the goal? What is the goal? The goal is to find who will read the last book, okay? And you know the rules, yeah? What are the rules? Yeah, this one, yeah? If a person receives an interesting new book, then after he reads the book, he should read it to his youngest friends. If all his friends have read the book, then he must return it to the person who lent it to him. So by applying these rules, by applying the rules, yeah, you will find who will read the last book. And what is the other most important information? Ben, yeah. Okay. Ben is the person who gets an interesting new book. Yeah. Okay. And you will need to know who read the book last. Yeah. Who will be the last person who read the book. Yeah, I think that's the meaning of the rubric question. Yeah. Okay. Let's start with Ben then. Yeah. And you choose between Ben's friend there. Yeah. Tom, Ted, and Kim. Who will read first? Okay, Ben will read first, and then he will read it to the youngest one, Ted. Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, after that, Ted will choose his friend, yeah, the youngest friend, who have not read the book. And that will be Anna, right? Because Anna is 9 there, yeah, 9 years old. Okay, and then Anna will again see her friends, Bill and Sarah. So she will read it to Bill, because Bill is the youngest, yeah, from her friends. And then Bill will see his friends and then check, because Anna is has already read the book, then he will read it to Tom. Okay. Okay, Tom will read the book then, yeah. After that, this means Tom has to find his friends, yeah. But then Ben already read the books, yeah. Already read. Bill already read as well. So go back to the rule. If all friends have read the book, then he must return it to the person who lent it to him. So Tom will give back his book to Bill. Okay. And then Bill will check his friends, whether all his friends already read the book. And we see that all Bill's friends already read the book as well, yeah? So he will return the book to Anna. And then Anna will check her friends, yeah? Whether her friends already read all the book, whether all her friends already read the book. And you can see that Sarah has not read the book. So Anna will lend the book to Sarah, right? So Sarah will be the 6th person who read the book. Then after that, Sarah will check her friends, yeah? And Sarah knows that all her friends already read the book, yeah? Ted and Anna already read the book. So Sarah will give it back to Anna. Okay. And then Anna check again, her friends already read. So Anna will give it back to Ted. And then Ted will check his friends. Ben already read the book. So Ted will lend it to Kim, his only friend who has not read the book yet. Okay. So the last person who read the book will be Kim for this problem. Yeah. Okay, I think it's quite clear. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Next problem is like this. It's about a city. There is a place in the form of a regular 7-sided. Each point on the 7-sided place must be colored in one of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Coloring follows the following. So this is the rules for the coloring, yeah? You need to understand all the rules, okay? Okay, so for this problem, let's make a bigger dots, yeah, to make it easier to write, yeah, okay. So I have, okay, this is 7 dots over here, yeah, and we want to know which color is on the left of orange. So if this is orange, yeah, we want to know if this is left, yeah. We want to know which color is here. Okay. Okay. And then the first thing that we know about orange is that it should not be placed next to blue nor indigo. So blue and indigo cannot be next to orange. So that means blue or indigo should be around here until here, blue or indigo. And you know that blue must be 3 dots to the left of indigo. Blue should be here, right? Because blue should be, because we agree that left is clockwise, yeah? Clockwise is left, okay? So blue is here. Okay, we know that this is blue over here. And this should be indigo. Okay. 3 dots to the left of indigo, right? So this is indigo, other color, and then blue. Okay, so this is done already. And what we know? We know green must be right next to red. Can be left or right. Because we already take this with, we already know that this is orange. And we have one dots over here, leftover dots, and this is leftover dots. We know that this is blue, and we know that this is indigo. Yeah, so we only have 2 dots over here that can be next to each other. Yeah, which is this and this one. This will be green and red. Yeah, or red and green. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, this can be red and green. Okay, we cannot put red and green on the left or right of orange. Yeah, because it's only 1 dot's left over there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then we know that yellow cannot be next to green. Yeah, and we know that already. And what else? Purple must be at 3 dots from blue. Okay, so now we move on from blue. 3 dots from blue. We cannot take the right one because the right 3 dots from blue to the right is already indigo. So we only have purple over here, right? This is the only option, yeah, because it needs to be 3 dots from the blue, right? And we cannot take the right, yeah, we cannot take over there, yeah, because if we go to the right, then we will find indigo, yeah, and then we can only add purple to the left of orange. Okay, so we already know that purple is there, yeah, in the left of orange. Okay, and if you want to know the rest, then red should be at 2 points from purple, which means that red is over here, yeah. Red is on the left of indigo, right? This is red, and this is green. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah, because previously we can put red and green in any places between the two, but then we know that red is there, green is there, and left one is only the yellow. Yeah, this is the only color that we haven't decided yet where to put, so yellow must be here. Okay, but anyway, without knowing those information, we already know that the color on the left of orange is purple. Yay, okay. Yay. Okay, so thank you very much. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Good luck for your midterm exam. Yeah, bye-bye.